Hello everyone, in this video I'd like to show you how I created this Facebook video post with a single video across 3 iPhones. Right? I created this using the free Canva account. Okay, without much ado, let's move over to the Canva. So this is the Canva page. To create a design, click on social media and select Facebook post. Once it's loaded up, look out for elements on the panel. Look for frames, right? And click on see all. So right here you can have a widespread of selections of different frames. In this case, we will be using the iPhone frame. Size it according to the size that you desire. Okay, and align it to the page. Okay, duplicate another 2 and align it so that all 3 of them are in a row. Okay, great. Okay, next you will need to fill it out with a video. So within Canvas, there's actually a video library which you can select. So some guide to selecting the video in this case to bring out its effect. Ideally, it's a video that is long enough, sufficiently long enough, like probably a 15 seconds or 20 seconds video will work just fine. And secondly, good to have some motion with objects or human being walking from left to right or right to left. Okay, so oh yeah, of course, if you prefer to have your own videos, you can actually upload your own videos right here and then use it accordingly. But in this demo, I will choose one of the videos within Canvas for the demonstration. So let's see if I can find a suitable video here. Okay, this looks good. Okay, once you've chosen a video, my way of doing is I will actually size it across the 3 phones, right? And click on crop. Okay, and for the first one, I will actually crop it to fit to the first phone size, and then done. Okay, or then place it inside. Okay, I'll do the same for the other 2 screens. Right, first to fit it all, then I click on crop. But for the center one, you got the crop from the left side to right side, and also to right to the left, to make sure that only the center piece of the video is captured to the second phone. Okay, likewise, I'll put it into the phone. I'll have another copy. Okay, size it accordingly first. Click on crop. Reduce it. Right. Done. Okay, then put it into the phone itself. Okay, click on the preview. Looks good. Okay, let's close it. Click on the download. Download file type as MP4. There are also other formats, but MP4 is the one if you want to see in motion. So depending on the video size, it will take a while for it to be downloaded onto your desktop, right? Okay, it's done. And as you can see, I'm actually using a free Canva account to do so. So there's no need for you to be on a pro version in order to create the video. All right. So let's do a download and a preview. Click on play. And that's it. You have your video here. And to upload, just click on your Facebook. Click on photos or videos. This is the one. Demo video and post. So once the video is being processed, Facebook will let you know. Okay, if not, just do a reload. And here is it. Click on play. So there you are. Motion picture or motion video across 3 iPhones itself. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned something here. And if you like my videos, do click on do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.